Hey guys, back to the video. Today's video is the unboxing inflation of the 2020 5-foot wide inflatable mouse with bulb by Gemmy. If this video cuts out, I'll just make part 2, but yeah. So we have instructions, don't need those. We have our new for 2020, adapters. We have our stakes and tethers. We have 6 stakes, and I'm guessing 4 tethers. So I thought this was like a cool design, so I wanted to pick it up. And there was one left, and I was so happy, so. Alright. So, light bulb. Oh wow, it is huge. It is a cheap fan. Not too happy about that, but that's okay. Let's plug him in. She started right on up. Now this is a very large inflatable, and it's only connected to the mouse. The light bulb is only connected to the mouse in one way, so the giant light bulb might take a couple minutes. The mouse does have a tail. Like I said, this light bulb is huge. Jeez. Holy cow. I really like this. Oh, he was backwards. Yes, he was backwards. Alrighty. And there he is. He is not stable at all right now. He's huge. He's 5 feet wide and 5 feet tall. So he's very big. This light bulb is huge. The mouse looks good. He's pretty cool. I love him. So yeah, here he is. Stitching is kind of weird. There's 2 lights in the back of the light bulb, and then there's one, in the mouse's head. It inflates extremely tightly, so that is wonderful. There's a tether on the back of the mouse right here, and there's a tether on the side of the light bulb. But otherwise, next video will be the inflation and review. So here he is. Bye guys. Oh, bye.